Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver lecture right in expanded form. 6482113. Now you can be right like in expanded form. First write 6, then write 60, because after 6 have 6 digits. Then put the plus sign, then write 4, put 50, then write 8, 40, then write 2, 30, then write 1 and put 20, then write 1, put 10 and plus 3. Now can write like as you similar case right here. 1, then write 1 2 3 4 5 6 60. Then 7 have 40 5 zeros. Sorry, 7 have 50, 5 have 40, 3 have 30, 2 have 20, and 2 have 10, and plus 4 has no 0. It is very easy to do right in expanded form. Addition. First 9, 1 plus 9, 10, put 0, take 1 carry, then 7 1 8, 8 or 4, 12, 10 write 2, then 1 carry, then be 5 1 6, 6 1 7, 7, 8 5 13, 3 1 carry, then 6 1 7, 7 6 13, 3 1 carry, then 4 1 8, 4 5 4 1 5 5 8, 13, 13, then 3 1 carry, 4 1 5 5 2 7. Write in vertical form and complete it. It is very easy to do. First write in vertical, then add these values. 156, then 268, 156, 437, 67, 13, 1 carry, 5 4, 9 1 10, 0 1 carry, 3 2 6, 3 2 5, 5 1 6. 900 more than 5624 540. Now 900 more than mean add these value. 900 add in this value. Now we add 900 0. Now place 4, then 9 5 14, 1 carry, 4 1 5, then 2, then 6, then 5.